Yeah, my name is Nyachiku F. Stephen. I'm here at the Fearless Netpreneurs conference put up together by Dr. Ope Banwo. It's been a mind-blowing experience, and I've learned so much within these past 3 days. The summit is like a 5-year course dissolved in 3 days completely and with all nuts and bolts well taken care of. I came in here with a lot of questions in my heart, the possibility and the possibilities of creating my own personal softwares. And I'm glad that within these past 3 days, I have learned all the nitty-gritties that it takes for you to strategically select a good product idea for your software creation and how to go about with the dynamics of its creation and how to also take it up into the marketplace, getting your JV manager and the affiliate managers and all it takes for you to set up the components of the launch. All this has been well tutored and understood by us in this conference. So everything that one requires to make it happen as a product launcher in the international community has been demystified by Dr. Ope Banwo and his team. And I'm so glad I made it to this conference. I'm so glad I made it to this conference. And I believe that the fruit of what has been planted here will showcase in the nearest weeks and months and even in a lifetime. Thanks to the likes of Ifyokun Kim, the Shehu Ogundeles of the world, Patrick Enyon, and so many other guys who are in the team that made this event very, very, very successful. I am well indoctrinated into the system and have understood the dynamics of the workings of this, and I expect to see the numbers very soon. I want to say a very big thank you to Dr. Ope Banwo for putting up this program, and I'm sure that it quite much beats my expectation far beyond measure. The hospitality was something else here. It was something else. I would, on 100% conviction, recommend this event to anyone who's really interested in taking over the international market in terms of software creations and what have you. You will really be impressed if you do. Thank you very much and God bless you.